These three skincare trends are absolutely shaping the beauty market for 2026. Whether you've got a beauty brand or you're marketing or influencing for beauty products, or if you're just curious about the next skincare trend, this video is for you. Selling or even buying skincare beauty products is a hurricane of trends and science, consumer signals. It can be impossible to know what really works and what's going to sell. I'm here to simplify the whole process. We spent hours analyzing hundreds of beauty products to understand what has worked really well this year and what's likely to work very well next year. And this is not just for beauty brands. The signals and the ideas we're covering in this video apply to pretty much every industry in one way or another. With that, let's dive in. First is a huge skincare trend that bleeds into almost every other niche: skin barrier repair and sensitive skin solutions. The prominence of ceramide moisturizers, this barrier repair creams, eczema soothers, gentle actives, indicates that restoring the skin barrier is super top of mind for consumers. And you can expect way more of these products to blow up in 2026. Brands are already expanding their lines with things like ceramides, niacinamide, panthenol, probiotic ingredients to cater to this demand for gentler, more dermatologist-approved skincare products, because people are prioritizing skin health over these harsh and quick beauty fixes. And it aligns with dermatological advice becoming more mainstream. And this is a lesson for every single online brand in 2026. Make sure that you have an industry expert on camera and at least 2 of your ad creatives. So let's talk about products that fit into this category that you can start selling or buying today. So for decades, the beauty industry has pushed these harsh actives and aggressive treatments, but consumers have flipped the script. What's the new obsession? Strengthening the skin, not stripping it. This shift towards barrier repair is one of the most lucrative opportunities in beauty right now. Ceramide-based products are leading the charge. Take ceramide body lotion, which is pulling in over $390,000 every single month with a crazy 691% growth rate and 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 reviews. This proves that hydration plus barrier support is the winning combination. Ceramide gel offers a lightweight option with 525% growth, perfect for people who like that gel texture without compromising on barrier repair. And the science is really what's driving sales here. Consumers are starting to understand that ceramides are these lipid molecules that literally hold your skin together. And when your barrier is compromised, everything else fails. But here's where it gets really interesting for the brands selling these products. The panthenol category is exploding. Panthenol moisturizer has seen over 1,880% growth with nearly 250 grand in monthly revenue. Panthenol serum is also impressive with over 1,000% growth and 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 440 reviews. These aren't household names yet, they're getting there, which means there's still an opportunity for brands to start selling this product to increase their profit. Today's beauty buyer is smart. They prioritize skin health over quick fixes, and they're willing to pay more for ingredients that offer long-term science-backed benefits. So if your brand can ride that wave and fulfill that promise, then you're set up for success, I guarantee it. Next, let's talk about another huge trend in the beauty space for 2026 that could literally determine the success or failure of your brand: hyperpigmentation and brightening regimens. So pigmentation-focused ingredients, think kojic acid, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, vitamin C, signal that reducing dark spots and improving overall skin tone is a very strong problem to solve. In Western markets, that heightened awareness of sun damage and post-acne pigmentation is also driving this. So we predict and are already seeing huge growth in brightening skincare regimens and products, including serums, toners, creams, you name it. Dark spot correctors and melasma treatments that might have been niche before are now becoming mainstream, largely thanks to K-beauty. Also expect to see more multi-acid products, and of course, over-the-counter versions of products that used to just be by prescription. So let's look at some examples. While most beauty brands are still chasing the anti-aging market, the real money is in pigmentation correction. It's not just about dark spots anymore. It's about achieving that even, luminous skin tone, which is the new beauty standard. Tranexamic acid is generating nearly 400 grand a month with a wild 1,138% growth. Alpha-arbutin serum, over 28 grand in monthly sales and climbing fast with 4.4 out of 5 stars from 260 reviews. These ingredients were barely on the radar 5 years ago. Also, this trend isn't just facial anymore. Niacinamide body lotion is pulling pulling in over 180 grand per month with 148% growth. It's boasting a solid 4.5-star rating. Even niacinamide toothpaste is exploding with 3,600% growth and nearly $1 million in monthly revenue. If you want to see more products that are actually making $1 million per month, we've got a video for that I'll link in the description. Brightening isn't just a product, it's a full body routine. Most people start with one concern, things like post-acne marks or sun damage. But once they see the results, it's everywhere. That's also why kojic acid and brightening soaps are seeing double-digit growth. Tranexamic acid cream alone is up 567% in growth, generating over 130 grand per month and maintaining that strong 4.4-star rating. People want different options with this same family of ingredients. Brightening is also going internal. Glutathione supplements are booming with 285% growth. It's pulling in 100 grand monthly with a search volume of around 33,000 and a commendable 4.4-star rating, which makes them a top choice. That also opens up the door to nutri-cosmetics with higher margins and deeper customer loyalty. Again, consumers are educated and they're results driven. They want comprehensive solutions that work from the inside out. The future of brightening isn't just a serum or a cream, it's becoming a whole lifestyle. And the brands that embrace this shift, which could be yours, are going to own this market. Lastly, we're covering a huge skincare trend set to define 2026. Hybrid makeup and skincare products. The blending of cosmetic products and skin health products, often referred to as skinification, is blowing up right now. The success of tinted serums, serum concealers, complexion products with SPF and skincare actives, it shows that people want multifunctional products that do not sacrifice in quality or results. We're likely to see more foundations, primers, color cosmetics infused with vitamins, acids, SPF protection. For instance, moisturizing or treatment-focused foundations instead of matte full coverage will cater to this preference for this natural, healthy look. So let's talk about a few products that are hitting the mark on this trend. Birch Juice Sunscreen has seen over 8,600% growth in the past 5 years, and while it's a little spiky, this trend is holding strong and projected to grow. Speaking of sunscreen, Ginseng Sunscreen has over 7,000% growth over the past 5 years and is still making 70 grand per month on Amazon alone. Peptide Foundation is absolutely exploding with over 1,000% search growth in just a year. Look at that graph, that's crazy. It's already pulling in over 180 grand per month, but the reviews look a little questionable, so longevity-wise, keep an eye on this one. Tinted sunscreen is nothing new, but looking at this macro trend overall, it's getting a second wind. Just look at that search growth increase this summer compared to the past 5 years. Not to mention it's pulling in over $500,000 every month easily, with a super solid 4.4 out of 5 stars. Now that's it for today, but if you want to see more trending skincare products that you can buy or sell in 2026, just comment skincare below and I'll give you another one totally free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.